Hi! In this tutorial, we'll explore how TermLynx can resolve errors in your agreement. TermLynx can help you efficiently resolve drafting errors in your document. TermLynx can draft a missing definition using GPT-4. It can insert a cross-reference. It can also capitalize a defined term in lowercase. Let's learn how to use these powerful features. First, we will draft a definition using TermLynx. Go to the Errors tab and expand the category of capitalized but not defined. Select Governmental Authority. Press the Insert key on your keyboard to resolve this error. Alternatively, you can right-click on the error and select Resolve. TermLynx collects information from your agreement, feeds it to GPT-4 so it drafts the perfect definition, and finally inserts it at the ideal location in your agreement. The term governmental authority is now defined in your agreement. Next, we will insert a cross-reference using TermLynx. Expand the error category Missing Cross-Reference and select Section 1.1. Press the Insert key on your keyboard to start resolving this error. TermLynx will select it in Word and open the cross-reference dialog. With the cross-reference dialog, you can select any section that will be the target of that cross-reference. For this error, TermLynx suggests Section 1.1. Press the Enter key on your keyboard to insert it. TermLynx just inserted a cross-reference to Section 1.1. You can use the cross-reference dialog to fix any section not found, manually typed section, and broken cross-reference. Finally, we will capitalize a defined term in lowercase. Expand the lowercase but defined category and select the error tags. Press the Insert key on your keyboard to resolve the error. This will capitalize the selected instance of tax. That's it. The instance of tax is now capitalized. Let's recap. When you select an error and press Insert on your keyboard, TermLynx will help you to resolve it. After resolving an error, TermLynx updates and selects the next error. Congratulations! You have completed Module 6. With TermLynx, document error management becomes streamlined and hassle-free.